Hello and welcome to Andy's Cornish Creations. This is a very quick video just to show the dimensions of the snowman that I turned a while ago. Someone's requested the sizes, so I've taken a picture and written all the dimensions down on the picture here that you can see. This is just a rough guide. You can make it whatever size you like, but this will give you a good idea of the dimensions that I used anyway. And in addition to this, the eyes and the buttons were 6mm black plastic safety eyes, and the carrot nose that I used there is about 15mm long and about 6mm in diameter at the base, and obviously tapers to the point, and it's got a little dowel at the end which is probably about 4mm into the head. Anyway, I hope this helps anybody that wants to make this one, and yeah, there you go. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.